guys, good morning. Today I don't have work, so I decided to vlog. This will be my first vlog for this year, but all in all, it's just my second vlog. I started vlogging because of my best friend, because she wanted to get updated of my life, but I can't do it like every day or like every week because I'm so busy. I'm sorry, Sarah. Yeah, so this is Sarah. I will put the link down below of her YouTube video. Now I got my pension book. I'm going to meet my mom and have lunch. I've tried one of their dish,
Okay.
but I don't want.
Tatabangan din ako sa pagkain. Ay,
Vlog.
eh di mas okay yung kanina, may
Saan?
tinapay pang kasama.
Wala naman masyadong pasta doon eh.
Wala ba? Ikaw, bala ka. Pinakamadaling lutuin ko yun.
Hindi doon. Gusto mo yata doon din na lang tayo.
Hindi naman. Kaya lang parang kung pasta lang naman, makakain natin yun. Magagawa ko yung para sa'yo. Yung hindi ko yung magagawa.
Wow.
Ito yun ang
Gusto mo dito? Chinese resto. Burger. I don't want burger. There's pasta and pizza. So I think, yeah, let's go here. Let's eat.
Mas ka na sa salad. Sarap ng cake sa maanghang.
We ordered sip, so there's ice cream. I'm on my way home and I'll bake. So today I'm going to make crumb topped cheesecake from Magnolia Bakery cookbook. I've already prepared the ingredients, but I'm sorry to say I can't post the measurements of this. Probably I can't because I don't know, because it's from their recipe. So yeah, come, let's bake. Yum yum. So this was the finished cheesecake. I need to put it in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours. I can't taste it tonight. Hey guys, so I've finished baking and the cheesecake tastes so good. I've eaten like a small piece of it. And yeah, I got to go to school. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram or Twitter. I'll put the link below and just click it. See you next time. Bye!